EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So, question 23 reads as follows. At the end of 2017, the value of Tamara's house was 220,000. The value of Rahim's house was 160,000. At the end of 2019, the value of Tamara's house decreased by 20%, and the value of Rahim's house had increased by 30%. At the end of 2019, whose house had a greater value? So first of all, I will draw a table, and then I have to find Tamara's house value in 2019. So first I will find 10%, which is 22,000. Multiplying that by 2, which gives me 20%, is 44,000. And so I subtract as it has decreased, so it's 176,000. So the value of Rahim's house in 2019, I will find 10% again, which is 16,000, multiplied by 3, which gives me 48,000, and then I have to add, which gives me 208,000. The values of Rahim's house is greater because 208,000 is larger than 176,000. Like and subscribe for more.